Welcome to Tech Collective. Today, we bring you 10 coolest modern prefab small homes around the world. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. Number 10 is Polyphon Simpson ST Adu. There are two members of Polyphon, Skylar Smith and Ryan Austin. We produce ecological and socially responsible architecture using a collaborative and multidisciplinary approach. Project with an Adu in front of the main house was located far back on land. Enough space has to be left over a big driveway and access back to the main house. In the end, a split-level concept was used, which allowed the Adu to expand into the side setback while still providing adequate space for a separate bedroom, kitchen, and living space. The result? Number 9 is Team Green Architects' Threepwood House. As demonstrated by this beautiful, passive house, the design metrics of a sustainable home do not have to come at the price of a comfortable living experience. The sloped roof and single, split-level shape fit the site well, giving an efficient concept of life. The bedroom quarters are on the ground floor, with an additional section above may be utilized as a guest suite or office. Number 8 is Gary Showmaker and 9 Bark Garden Pavillion. This copper, glass, and wood construction may be seen in a Seattle backyard, and a local artist built it, but the owner didn't want to leave the area. So a relative, Gary Shoemaker's architect principal, designed a garden pavilion that could be used as a music studio, guest house, home office, and general family space in addition to a music studio. To create a flexible area separate from the home, owners recruited local business 9 Bark Design Build to help them. There is a double-height main room and a bathroom on one side of the pavilion, which is 12 feet by 25 feet, 3.66 meters by 7.62 meters in size. On Seattle's many cloudy days, the towering wall of windows keeps the inside light. There are old wood rafters in the ceiling and a heated tile floor. For example, 9 Bark substituted a thicker shelf unit with a thin work counter in the main area, allowing a modest kitchenette to be put where the closet is depicted on the floor plan. Most people would like a larger kitchen if there was a full-time residence, but it is enough, for now, to keep drinks and cook snacks. Number 7 is Hytte Lmingfjell. Due to the results of the harsh environment and rigorous construction requirements of Lmingfjell, Norway, this 785 square foot cottage has a hood and sectioned windows, standing wood paneling, gabled roof at 22 to 27 degrees, and triple bargeboard walls. Architect Borelset's head architect Greth Land was inspired by these criteria. According to Land, limitations are the foundation of any fun creation, and in this situation, it became our aim to create inside the constraints. As the cabin's name suggests, Hytte Lmingfjell stands 3,690 feet above sea level in a region prone to avalanche hazard. A protective hood from the original proposal's designs was preserved, adds Land. Once a shield for the retreat, it's now a strong statement. Set against the black cabin's body, angular wood paneling provides a powerful geometric shape. To prevent rain from trickling down the cabin's neck, where the main entrance is located, the red pine roof protects the cabin's eyes. According to Land, the structure was transformed into an understated, distinctive sculpture in an area where most of the cabins tend to look the same, and our customers were delighted with the unusual form. Number 6 is Cabin 1. The procedure of buying a Cabin 1 is surprisingly simple. Only 3 stages remain once the contract has been signed: approval and planning, production, and lastly transportation and installing. In addition to a comfortable bed beneath a skylight, all Cabin 1's floor plans have a high-quality hardwood shell, providing additional latitude in outfitting ideas. To make this modular home stand out from the others on the market, we've created a daylight bath that's bathed with sunlight at all times. As well as adding functional storage space, a built-in spruce kitchen ensures that the worktops will not grow crowded with the utensils and other cooking gear. In addition, Cabin Spacey's interior design partners offer various unique design items that may complement a custom shelf system. Number 5 is Luckdrops Shipping Container Homes. Featuring the best in contemporary conveniences and comfort, the Luckdrops Studio Plus is a fraction of the size and expense of typical residences. To optimize space and efficiency, every aspect of the design has been carefully considered. An indoor-outdoor living environment that may be used for a variety of purposes. Just open the cargo doors and let the natural light and fresh air pour into your home. It has a 2-seater sofa, a flat-screen TV, and a coffee table in the living area, wired for cable TV, high-speed internet access, and enough outlets to plug in all of your gadgets. According to estimates, there are around 11 million abandoned shipping containers in the globe. Each Luckdrops house recycles approximately 3,500 kilograms of steel. Unlike other housing alternatives, it has been meticulously constructed to have a lesser environmental imprint than others in the area. Beauteous and strong, our houses are the right combination. A simple and sophisticated alternative to conventional housing. They're designed with the world's most inventive architects and supported by industry-leading engineering and inspections, as well as industry-leading safety measures and certifications. Moreover, because they're made from recycled and renewable materials, they're durable and beautiful. All of this comes at a fraction of the cost of a typical dwelling. Number 4 is ModScape, Pont Leo Victoria. Building a Pont Leo home took several modules, resulting in 108 square meter of inside entertaining area, 58 square meter of entertaining outdoor space, and 112 square meter of living space overall. However, it is the bottom level that impresses. There are 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a powder room, and a laundry room. There is a distinct separation of areas in the house, with a main living room on the ground floor facing the street and the rest facing the ocean. As a part of the seamless integration of interior and outdoor living areas, a Korean bench extends outward from the kitchen onto the deck. Kids will enjoy a rumpus room at the end of the terrace, complete with a storage area and toilet. During the winter, the main living room is warmed by an uncovered chimney Phillip fireplace, which also heats the rest of the home. Despite its modern design, the house seems right in its natural beach surroundings, thanks to a combination of dark-stained Pacific teak lumber and rough sawn shadowclad. Number 3 is Steel Blox, Model 3. The 960 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo has a gorgeous open floor layout. The Model 3 is a lovely blend of indoor and outdoor space with a great room sustainable for entertaining visitors and family, as shown here with our trademark pivot door. In addition, the design has a built-in porch and storage space. The whole Container Living Unit series includes the newest technology we demand in our homes today and is designed for the way we live our modern lives. Today's must-haves and tomorrow's concepts have been thoughtfully prepared for easy and extensible implementation. Door and window solutions that are progressive, clean, contemporary, and energy efficient help offer a basic and practical aesthetic unlike any other in the modular industry. In unique settings, smaller spaces necessitate innovative and adaptable usage of standard components. Number 2 is Gawthorne's Hut. Hawthorne's Cottage is a beautiful, off-grid eco-hut created specifically for couples. It's the newest addition to Willowgraw's collection of distinctive country retreats. It is designed to give guests quiet, solitude, and a sense of isolation while capturing breathtaking vistas. King bed, complete bath, shower, flushing toilet, and kitchenette are all included. The old and lovely rural home, Willowgraw, is widely renowned for its first escape. Natural woods are used liberally throughout the room, making it warm and inviting. The views of the lovely Mudgee Valley and the natural environs are captured via the wide windows and doors. Gawthorne's is the ideal romantic getaway spot. Number 1 is Corbett Residence. The Corbett Residence is located on a forested property with a long winding driveway. To hide the home from view, the drive is narrow and meanders through trees. The home is a low black box that mimics the horizon by striking a line across the hill. The main bedroom, located on the east end of the house, overlooks a huge red oak and fern glade. Our constrained clientele provided wonderful ideas and pushed us to convey necessity. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you liked the most, or click the thumbs up button if you liked the video.